In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange LinkedIn profile sections. Whether you're looking to highlight recent achievements or just want a fresh look for your profile, restructuring your LinkedIn sections can make a significant impact. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to LinkedIn, so go ahead and open your browser and type linkedin.com into the address bar. If you're not logged in yet, you'll need to sign in. You can do this using Google or Microsoft, or simply enter your email address and password. Once you've signed in, if you have two-factor authentication set up, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account with a code sent to your phone. It's an extra level of security, so keep your phone handy. Now that you've logged in, find your way to your profile page. Start by clicking on View Profile. This is where you'll see a comprehensive view of your entire LinkedIn presence. Scroll through your profile until you identify the section you want to reorder. This could be your experience, education, skills, or any other section you'd like to focus on. When you locate the section, look for the pencil icon, which is the edit icon next to it. Clicking it will open a menu with further options. Here you'll see what's called the reorder icon. This is often represented by a small icon featuring arrows or three lines. A click here will initiate the rearranging process. Once you click on reorder, a pop-up will open displaying all the items within that section. For instance, if you're rearranging your experience section, each job position you've entered will appear here. You can alter the order by clicking and dragging the items to your preferred positions. Simply click on an item and move it up or down the list as needed. This drag and drop feature is quite user-friendly and allows you to see your changes in real time. After you've organized everything to your satisfaction, don't forget this crucial step. Save your changes. Look for the Close or Done button, typically located within the pop-up window. Clicking this button will ensure that your newly arranged profile gets saved and published as you want it. And there you have it, your LinkedIn profile sections are now perfectly tailored to highlight your strengths and current focuses. This adjustment can make your profile more engaging and easier for visitors to navigate. Thanks for watching, and make sure to give your profile another review to ensure it aligns with your professional goals. Keep it updated regularly to reflect your most recent experiences and skills. Happy networking.